Nobody, oh my God, has ever been here for 100 years. It's all beat up. Snowing. Nobody has ever been here for 100 years. There's been no lights on. There's no lights. I mean, somebody's been here. They could beat us up and murder us. I wonder who's all been here. It's pretty dark, is it? This place just creeps me out. Down here I've heard scaring voices. Oh my gosh! What is that? Oh my gosh! What is that? Where did that come from? Okay. Let me come down here. What's gonna happen? I don't know. Oh my gosh. These are items. Come down here. What's that? Nobody's down here yet. Did you hear something? What's this? That's a backpack that somebody used. Oh my God. Oh my God! Oh my God! Here he comes! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my God! Okay. Oh, I got a cut on my foot. Oh. It's dimmed light. I should have known. Cut my head. Oh, somebody scraped me with a knife. Oh, what was that? Light just turned off. Oh my God! There's a person! Oh my gosh! Who's that? Oh! Somebody just hit me from behind. Must have been like a beast or something. What? No. I just saw like a beast or something. He cut me in the foot and then just grabbed me from behind. Not sure where it got him to go in that room right there. I thought he went in there. To be the only person to get in there. I'm gonna have to turn on the lights. I'm alone. Okay, fine. Come out, wherever you are. What is that? Come out, come on. What's that? What was that? Come on. Come out. Oh my gosh, I see an elbow. Come out, come out. It's a hand. It's a hand. What is that? What is that? Oh my gosh, it's a person! It's a cat! Oh my gosh, I just got scared to death. Okay. Didn't want to go in there, I was afraid. I'm gonna go back down there. Turn on the lights. Beast hate light. This time I'm gonna battle him. Come out, come out. Wherever you are. Oh, there he is. Come on, let's do it. Come on. Come on now, let's do it, man. Let's do it. Oh! I killed him and I stole this video camera. I'm gonna show this in the newspaper.